Mabuhay, and welcome to Life Hacks 101, Philippines edition. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the best life hacks you can use right here in the Philippines. Think of me as your older brother or sister, sharing cool tricks you can actually use. Whether you live here or you're just visiting, these tips will make your life so much easier. You'll be like, why didn't I think of that? Let's get started. Okay, first up, let's talk about food because, of course, food is at the heart of every Filipino gathering. Have you ever tried eating Kamayan style? It's a communal and hands-on way to enjoy a meal. It's the ultimate Filipino food experience. You get to savor every bite with your hands. But instead of using plates, we go old school and use banana leaves. They're nature's perfect serving dish. It's good for the environment because you just throw them away after, and they break down naturally. No waste, no fuss. Plus, they make your food taste even better. The leaves add a subtle, earthy flavor. You can find banana leaves in most markets. They're affordable and readily available. Just ask the vendor nicely, "Excuse me, can I buy some banana leaves?" They'll know exactly what you need. Imagine you're having a party at home, and you bring out these banana leaves. It's a showstopper. Your guests will be so impressed. They'll be talking about it for days. They might even think you hired a fancy chef. The presentation is just that good. But shh, it's our little secret, okay? No need to tell them how easy it was. It's all about being resourceful, using what nature provides. And you know what the best part is? It's not just about the look. Cleaning up is super easy. No scrubbing, no mess. Just gather up the banana leaves, throw them away, and you're done. It's that simple. No more washing dishes forever. Think of all the time you'll save. More time for fun stuff, right? Enjoy your time with family and friends. So next time you're having a feast, skip the paper plates and use banana leaves. It's a game changer, it's practical, good for the planet, and adds a Filipino touch to your meal. Embrace the tradition. Let's be real, we Filipinos love our vinegar. It's a staple in our kitchens and a key ingredient in many of our beloved dishes. It's like magic in the kitchen. It adds that perfect tangy flavor to our meals. But did you know that vinegar isn't just for cooking? It has so many other uses that you might not be aware of. It's also a cleaning superstar. Yes, you heard that right. Forget those expensive cleaners with harsh chemicals. Vinegar is a natural and effective alternative. Vinegar is all you need. It's versatile and can be used in so many ways. This is especially helpful here in the Philippines where it gets so hot and humid. You know what that means? Lots of sweat and grime. But don't worry. Vinegar to the rescue. It's a natural deodorizer and cleaner. Just mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle, and you've got an all-natural cleaner that's safe and effective. You can use it on your counters, your stove, even your bathroom. It's perfect for all surfaces. It cleans grease, grime, and even kills germs. Talk about a multitasker. It's truly amazing. And the best part? It's super cheap. You don't have to break the bank to keep your home clean. You can find a big bottle of vinegar for less than the price of a milkshake. It's a budget-friendly option. So, ditch those expensive cleaners and switch to vinegar. It's a smart choice for your home and your wallet. Your wallet and your nose will thank you. Enjoy a cleaner, fresher home with the power of vinegar. Okay, this next life hack is for all my friends out there who sweat a lot. You know, body odor can be a problem, especially in this heat. But don't worry, I'm here to help. Forget those expensive deodorants. We're going natural with calamansi. Yes, calamansi. This little fruit isn't just for food, it's also a natural deodorant. Calamansi has special properties that can help get rid of bad smells. Just cut a calamansi in half, rub it on your underarms, and let it dry. That's it. You can do this before you shower, or even after. It's a great way to freshen up, especially if you're on the go. Plus, it's super gentle on your skin. No more rashes from those harsh chemicals. So next time you're at the market, grab some extra calamansi. Your underarms will thank you for it. Alright, let's talk about showers. We all love a good shower, right? But have you ever thought about how much water you're using every time you turn on that shower head? Or should I say tabo time? The tabo is a traditional Filipino water dipper that's been around for generations. If you've been to the Philippines, you know that the tabo is a must-have in every bathroom. It's a staple in Filipino households. It's like our version of the shower head, but way better. It's versatile and incredibly efficient. You see, using a tabo saves water. It allows you to control the amount of water you use with each pour. Instead of wasting water while you're soaping up, you can use the tabo to pour water over yourself when you need it. This way, you're not letting water run unnecessarily. It's a simple way to save water, especially during the dry season when water is scarce. Every drop counts. And you know what? Using Adobo is also a great way to be more mindful in the shower. It makes you more aware of your water consumption. It makes you think about how much water you're using. You become more conscious of your actions. Plus, it's kind of relaxing, you know. The gentle pour of water can be quite soothing. The sound of the water hitting the table, the feeling of the water on your body. It's a sensory experience. It's like a mini spa. You get to enjoy a refreshing and calming bath without wasting water. So next time you're taking a shower, ditch the shower head and grab a Adobo. Give it a try and see the difference. Your water bill and the planet will thank you. By making this small change, you're contributing to a larger cause of water conservation. Okay, let's talk beauty secrets. When it comes to beauty, we Filipinos know what's up. We've got that natural glow. And you know what our secret is? Coconut oil. This stuff is amazing. It's a natural moisturizer, makeup remover, hair conditioner, you name it, coconut oil can do it. Seriously, it can do everything. You can find coconut oil everywhere in the Philippines and it's super cheap. No need to spend a lot of money on expensive beauty products, just take a little bit of coconut oil, massage it onto your skin, and you're good to go. It's that simple. Your skin will feel so soft, and your hair will be shiny and healthy. Plus, it smells amazing, like you just left a spa on the beach. Amazing, right? So, next time you're at the store, stock up on coconut oil. Your skin, your hair, and your wallet will thank you. Let's be real, rice is life, especially for us Filipinos. We love our rice. But sometimes cooking rice can be tricky. You either end up with undercooked rice or burnt rice. Ugh, so frustrating. But don't worry, I'm here to share a life-changing hack the bamboo stick trick. Yes, really. A simple bamboo stick can help you cook perfect rice every single time. Just stick a bamboo stick in the middle of your rice while it's cooking. The bamboo stick will absorb extra water so your rice won't be mushy. It's like magic. No more scraping burnt rice from the pot. Plus, it's good for the environment. No need for those fancy rice cookers. Just good old-fashioned smarts. So, next time you're cooking rice, grab a bamboo stick. Your taste buds and your wallet will thank you. Okay, let's talk about shopping. We Filipinos love to shop, am I right? But all those plastic bags are bad for the environment. But don't worry, we've got a solution. The bayong. The bayong is a traditional Filipino woven bag that's becoming popular again. And for good reason, it's strong, big, and super stylish. You can use it to carry your groceries, your books, even your laptop. Plus, it's a great way to support local artists. Many bayongs are handmade with love. So next time you're going to the market or the mall, ditch the plastic bags and bring a bayong. It's a small change that makes a big difference. Alright, let's talk about cleaning. We Filipinos love a clean house, right? And when it comes to cleaning, we've got a secret weapon, the walis tambo. This traditional Filipino broom is made from soft, natural fibers that are gentle on your floors but tough on dirt. It's perfect for sweeping up dust, crumbs, and even pet hair. Plus, it's super cheap and easy to find. You can find a walis tambo almost everywhere. So ditch those expensive vacuum cleaners and brooms. Go for the walis tambo. It's a classic for a reason. Let's be real, commuting in the Philippines can be quite an experience. But there's one mode of transportation that's the best. The jeepney. The jeepney is a true Filipino icon. It's colorful, it's quirky, and it's super cheap. For just a few pesos, you can get around town and see the real Philippines. Just make sure you have your coins ready. And don't be afraid to shout "Stop, please" when you need to get off. So, next time you're in the Philippines, hop on a jeepney and enjoy the ride. Okay, let's be real. We Filipinos love convenience. And when it comes to convenience, nothing beats the sari-sari store. These small neighborhood shops are everywhere in the Philippines, and they sell just about everything. Snacks, drinks, toiletries, even mobile phone load. It's like a mini supermarket, but way more convenient and affordable. So next time you need to buy something quickly, skip the long lines at the supermarket and go to your nearest sari-sari store. You'll be surprised at what you can find. And there you have it, folks. Those are the top 10 life hacks you can use in the Philippines. From banana leaves to jeepneys, these tips will not only make your life easier, but also give you a taste of Filipino culture. If you're planning a trip to the Philippines, make sure to try out these life hacks. And if you're a local, well, I hope you learned a thing or two. Don't forget to share these tips with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.